Hey guys, this is Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here checking out this 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. You see we got it in that classic all white color scheme. You do have that black sport tower on top. You guys climb aboard, let me show you what this boat's got to offer. All right, welcome aboard the SPX 210, guys. So standing back here on the swim platform, you can see we got a nice non-skid platform throughout the entirety of it back here. And then right here is a huge sun pad for you to lounge on whenever you're out, anchored out at the sandbar or something like that. You've also got a telescoping ladder back here so you can easily jump on and off the boat and climb back onto the swim platform here. As I'm walking in, I'll lift up this hatch to show you that you do have a nice little storage area here if you wanted to drop some shoes or something like that in there. This is also where your battery switch is going to be contained. I'm going to make my way into the walk path. You do have another smaller storage compartment right here, which can be used as a built-in cooler on here. Pretty small, but good to have on board. And then underneath each and every one of these seats are going to be a good spacious storage compartment. I'll go ahead and lift up the motor hatch so you can see the MerCruiser on this boat. You got a 200 horse, 4.5 liter V6, so plenty of power behind you to get out on the water and have some fun on board here. Underneath this seat is a passageway where you can slide a cooler or a bag underneath, and then you don't have to worry about lifting the seat up to take it out every time. You can just quickly grab it. And then this port side lounger over here will adjust however you want to be sitting. So you can face either forward or aft, and it'll flip whichever way you want it to. Back over here to the starboard side, you got the main captain's chair, so this will slide forward and backwards and spin. It also has this adjustable bolster, so you can bring your line of sight above the windshield there. Taking a quick look at the helm, you'll see the display up top is a Simrad NSX display. It's going to hold your Mercury engine management screen as well as your chart plotter. And then right here, you have a Fusion stereo system. So there's your head unit, so you can have some tunes while you're out here. You'll notice on the flooring, it is a snap-in woven vinyl, so you can easily remove this and expose that non-skid flooring. And then this is hiding one of the biggest compartments on the boat, your nice center ski locker there. Making my way on up towards the bow, you do have some port side storage here. Big compartment to stash some life jackets or toys. And then this windshield will close, so you can use this boat on a cooler day and block some of that wind from hitting you when you're in the captain's chair or the co-captain's side there. And then up here in the bow, all of these seats will lift up and have some storage compartments underneath. And just to give you an idea of size, I'm roughly about 6'3", and I can sit up here and stretch out, so it'll show you, you do have room for multiple people up here in this bow. And then way up here at the top is a dedicated storage locker for your anchor with a cleat to tie it onto. All right, if you guys have any questions about this boat or want to come check it out, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101 and you can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.